La-di-da-di, la-di-dee, la-di-da. Hello, people. Dave back again. So, my new, what do I do? So, okay, so if you saw my other video, you would have seen that I'm asking AI how to get more subscribers on my YouTube channel, the one that you're probably watching right now. So I asked it, if I did, I like that. Anyway, God, I get so distracted by these little details. Way, had a chair, no chair. Chair? Where's my chair? Chair's not there. Anyway, I asked AI to help me get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days, and it's given me a whole list of stuff that I can do, and it's also given me some video prompts. So I'm going to record all of these video prompts now. Then I'm going to make them into shorts, and then I'm going to see if this actually worked. Did this make a difference? Did I do the right thing? Did it work? Did it not? Just to give you an example, so I'm going to share my screen now to give you a little bit of insight into what I'm going to be doing. Boom, boom, boom. So here we go. So these are the things that I asked them us to do. Okay, so ready to record short scripts. Short one. I'm a creative director, and AI embarrassed me today. So I'm going to do all of these in a sec. I'm actually just recording in one video, and then we can pick these apart, and then we can figure it out from there. So here it goes, nada. 2 seconds, still to play. Stop sharing. Right. Start sharing. Start caring. I don't know if that's the right thing to do. But, you know, without further ado, here goes nothing. So, I'm a creative director, and AI embarrassed me today. I asked AI to help shape a B2B business proposition. It sounded confident, polished, completely wrong. The problem wasn't the tool. It was that it had no idea what not to say. I'm documenting this stuff as I go. Subscribe if you want honest AI use, not hype. Next one. I tried using AI like a strategist, not a copywriter. Instead of asking it to write copy, I asked it to challenge assumptions. Okay, let's start from the top. I tried using AI like a strategist, not a copywriter. Instead of asking it to write copy, I asked it to challenge assumptions. The output got worse, then much better. AI's value isn't answers. It's pressure, testing, thinking. More real experiments on the channel. Next one. Okay, let's do a little bit more. This is why AI output looks smart, but fails in B2B. It optimizes for sounding right, not being right. In B2B, sounding right can cost you credibility, fast. Subscribe if you work in B2B and are figuring this out too. I trusted AI on client work. Here's where I stopped. The moment nuance mattered. That's the line most people don't see until it's too late. I'm learning this in public. Follow along. Everyone says AI saves time. Here's when it doesn't. If you don't know what good looks like, AI makes you slower, not faster. Daily AI in the real world experiments here. Follow along. Please subscribe. I did that bit. This AI advice would get you fired in B2B. It ignores politics, senior egos, and commercial reality. That stuff still matters. Subscribe for the unsexy truth. The unsexy truth. Okay. I use AI every day. Not like this. If you treat it like a junior, you'll get junior output. More on this all month long. Subscribe now. I asked AI to challenge my thinking. It didn't. So I changed the brief. That's the real skill gap nobody's talking about. Follow if you're learning that too. AI isn't replacing creative directors. It's exposing bad ones. Judgment still matters. Taste still matters. Context still matters. Subscribe for real-world AI use. Last one. This is the moment I stop using AI. When instinct beats optimization. That line hasn't moved yet. I'm documenting everything here. So those were the ones that the ChatGPT told me to record and post. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So let's report back and see if any of these, or which of these yielded the most traction and which didn't. And then we shall do a little bit of a follow-up post to this. Dans le futur, à l'avenir. Boom. Ciao for now, peoples. Love ya. Love ya. Love ya.